Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you the second author box, and Happy New Year to you all. Okay, and this is the before author. So this is the another design, another theme. This is like a vintage Shabby, sorry. And I ordered this like a plastic acrylic this brochure box that I eat a lot of the salad, the vegetable, so I keep all these container. So I ordered it, I paint with the acrylic paint and use the avocado dye and tea dye. All this is a hand dye lace that I use in this project. So I will call this is the hand dye, hand dye color project author box, something like so. So I layer this fabric here, and you can see I make these 3D flowers here. I think this so I use this trim, I believe still available in my store. It's the like a leaf shape lace. I cut it the shape, so layer and layer another leaf. This one is the how to call this, like a apricot leaf. Okay, and alter this flower and use the avocado lace to make like a branch here, and the leaves here, and the leaves I think I have to glue it down, so like so. Okay, this is the outer acrylic box. So inside just layer some of this kind of the fabric. This is so cool. You can use this to make a flower. So it's so shabby. Okay, I got this one inside, also layer with this paper. So like so, 3D lace flower. And this is the box how it turned out, and layer with different kind of the hand dye laces. So you can see different color here, and underneath I layer, this is the muslin fabric. I print this pattern here. So and I make another rose, lace rose, and this so okay, and with the lace and the leaves. Close up and show you, and so shabby. And the side here I didn't do anything. This is the muslin fabric I print on this in this pattern, and another side, and different. You can see the flower this side and different here, different style. Also it's a rose, but different layer of the laces, different patterns, and this one. And actually this box I create before to war. So cause I mentioned before I have so many of this kind of boxes, so I don't want to waste it, and it is the size is quite nice for a gift box. Okay, and so different layer, different patterns of the lace. Okay, and this is the top, and I paint it with this color, like the tan color. Okay, and now open up. So the same inside store with so many yummy goodies here, and I will show you one by one. Okay, first I have make a card and happy birthday. So you can see I layer with the apricot and do that. and fabric, and sew the edges here and add the beads here, and this how to call this kind, like a plastic leaves. Yeah, I will recolor. So inside I didn't even show you. Yeah, this is the cut, resemble cut, and show you that one. So make the box, and this is a 2 by 2 inches, like a matchbox. Inside, yeah, store the different kind of the doodads and bling. That's so. Okay, and I print all this on Pinterest, the paper match with the theme. And I also make this I also print all this on the crossy white paper bag, and I make this flower here and print different kind patterns, match the kit. Okay, I mean the set. Okay, I didn't mention before. Yeah, I print this. I do this print on the Tilda project quite last 2 years on the fabric. So before that, I still not so, came out not so perfect because we run out of the, I mean yeah, the how to say, but now I can see of the size of the paper bag. Last time I just, yeah, the size is different. I mean, I don't know how to say, just not perfect. Yeah, you can see it's so pretty, but now it's quite, I'm quite happy for the print the whole bag. Okay, yeah, put it here. So I bring out all the boxes out so I can show you the inside the box. You can see different pattern boxes. And this box I make just all in the big size box. So yes, you see this is the inside. I print layer with the paper. Okay, so I'll show you one by one the box. That's what all inside the. Before that, I have to show you. This is the handmade flowers for the challenge. So you will know this box goes to who? Yeah, it's to my dear sis Shuba. This is the flower challenge, but I know I already late to send it out because of the Christmas celebration and the New Year celebration. Yeah, it's quite busy, so I cannot ship this in time. But yeah, all this is my handmade flower, and I hand dye this in the tea color. So yeah, this is the for the challenge. Okay, and now show you the. Let me just see, check first which one I should show you first. So okay, show you some of this one first. Big matchbox. Okay, with this pattern, match with this. Okay, and inside is like, yeah, it's not different kind of the hand dye laces, tea color and avocado and coffee. Yeah, different, and at the bling here. Okay. And this one is a handmade flower. Okay, I'll show you this first. This one is, yeah, I use this flower to make the lace flower. Okay, I use the rose bud because this is the rose bud. If to take, you also can remove the petal. So see, this one I remove this because it's too big, but I still can use this to make another flower, so I will keep this. This one is the big size, and this is the rosebud, and this is more bigger, 3 different size. And see inside the box, and you paper, and also include some of these hand-dyed doily. Okay, and I make the lace book mini size, so you can see the size with the tangle. I make this one. This bits, I forget who sent me this, so Bonnie or wow, yeah, it's so brilliant. Yeah, and actually, yeah, you can remove this. You can use this into your project if you like, and use this sleeve, this paper, and inside is the trim and laces. So like so. Yeah, this is one of the make item. Okay, now I'll show you another one. This one. This one is the paper like so, and this one is inside. Okay. So pretty, pretty, and this is more smaller. This one, so that different laces. All this is the hand dye color cream. Another one, this bigger, and this one also removable. Apricot also, I said I didn't glue it, so yes, you can remove and use this into your project. And layer with the flower, sequins, and fabric and lace. This is the back. So layer with all this color and make a pocket. Tag here. Okay, so, and also include some of the sequins, flower, button, and this with the tangle, and this is the pink one. All this is my stash. Yeah, I just want to share with you. Okay. Put on top, so it's just fit in. The box. Okay, beautiful. And this is the last but not least, and with the this is the handmade embellishment set. See, I made so many of my flower. This one's, this is the, I see the image, the beads and the leaves, and the do that, and layer with different of the flower and apricots. Okay, use this into your project. And this one is quite big. It's the different kind of the hand dyed laces. Add the leaves here, and the that, and the beads go around the rosette flower. That's quite pretty. And I make this flower. This is the satin fabric, and I also make another one with the tangle. See, with the rosebud. And this is inspired by on Pinterest. Okay, and yeah, actually these two is the same fabric. You can see this like shining, and this no, because this is the top layer and this is the bottom layer, so you can see the different, but I love both. Okay, at the bits here, beautiful. And I make this tangle tassel. This is the back. so we have to do that flower around. So yeah, you can include this into your fabric book or whatever. And then after these two leaves here, I avocado these two leaves like so, and this fabric, and this is so yeah, this is the handmade flower embellishment set. Yeah, this is a handmade item for my dear sis, and I really hope you like it. Let me put everything nicely and show you one more time. Sorry. Okay, this is the project, yeah, for you sis, and I hope you liked it. And yeah, thanks again for everyone for taking your time to watch my video, and please feel free to leave me a comment if you liked my project, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Okay, and thanks again for everyone, and bye bye. And yeah, I still have one more to share with you all, another style, also it's the same box. Yeah, please stay tuned, and